What's up guys, my name is Bella and I just received the new Fall 2021 edition of the look from my Mary Kay independent beauty consultant, and I felt inspired to recreate this amazing artistic eyes look on page 16. These new limited edition Mary Kay Shimmer liquid eyeshadows look so cool and sparkly, and I can't wait to give this look a try. But before we get started, give this video a thumbs up if you're into bold, eye-catching eye makeup, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So first I'm gonna start by applying a foundation primer, and this one contains SPF 15 and gives a great matte finish. Next I'm going in with my TimeWise 3D matte foundation, and a little bit of Mary Kay Perfecting Concealer where I need it. Then I'm gonna add just a few dots of the limited edition Mary Kay Shimmer Liquid Eyeshadow in Graphite to my lids. And I'm going to blend that out with my finger. And now I'm blending a little bit of Rustic, this golden bronze shade, into my crease. And now I'm gonna pop a bit of Gold Status, this color right here, into the inner corners of my eyes for some brightness. Next, I'm using the Mary Kay waterproof liquid eyeliner pen to define my top lash line. I love how smoothly this eyeliner goes on. Add 2 coats of Lash Intensity mascara, and the eyes are done. To finish the face, I'm gonna apply blush to my cheeks, and this is the shade Desert Rose. So this is a trick I just learned. I'm going to squeeze the bristles of my cheek brush just to compress the bristles a little. And this will help me define the hollows of my cheeks and my jawline with the shade Latte. Then I can take that same cheek brush and highlight the tops of my cheekbones with limited edition Mary Kay highlighter in shade Rose Sapphire. I love a multi-purpose tool. I'm taking the same cheek brush and blending just to get rid of any harsh lines. Blending is your friend. The last step in this artistic look is, of course, a lipstick. A little gel semi-shine lipstick in Sunset Peach adds just a touch of color and doesn't compete with this bold eye look. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. To get your hands on these products and to snag your own copy of the look, contact your Mary Kay independent beauty consultant. Hey, and while you're here, check out these other videos from Mary Kay.